Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? Long time no see. Hope you guys are doing well. Just on a little hike today. I'm gonna do some lunch. I don't have a destination in mind. I'm just gonna hike till I feel like stopping. Bust out the stove, fire, boil some water. It's just mountain house, nothing really too extravagant because I didn't want to carry it all. This is a Squawk Mountain. I've actually been up here a couple of times. It's steep and it's a heck of a climb. If I don't make the top, I'm not even gonna worry about it. So, excuse me. I got a new water bladder and I should have rinsed it out better because the water is just horrendous tasting. Ugh. So I might actually dump it out because I got a whole Nalgene full of clean water, so it's not even a problem. It's basically my cooking water, my hot beverage water. So yeah, good times. We're gonna get back to it. So today's lunch is going to be the chicken teriyaki, my first time having it. 2 cups of water, so a little less than 2 cups. Undershoot the water so it's not runny. So here's what the contents look like dry. I see some peas in there, chicken in here, of course the rice, the seasoning. I think those are red peppers. I'm not a real big fan of, but maybe the flavor will be masked by the other ingredients. So, I got this for Christmas. Thanks, Mom. 2.5 servings. Yeah, I'll eat the whole thing. I haven't had lunch yet. Well, I had a little snack on my way up, but that wasn't really lunch. That was just a snack. So, it actually is kind of nice out here. I should give you a... So it's kind of my view to the service road. It goes to the... It's called the Central Peak, but there's like literally no view at all. Parked under a cedar tree. There's a little offshoot trail that came down. I've only come up half a mile. I know it's kind of pussy to already stop, but I haven't hiked in a while. I haven't seriously hiked in a while, so I need to reintroduce the hiking movement to the, you know, your joints, your muscles, your nerves, you know, your tendons and everything. So that's currently my view. Looks like the sun's trying to poke through the clouds too. Alright, looks like we got ourselves a purdy boil. We've actually had a boil for a bit, but you know, the camera decided to drag its feet turning on, so I'll get some hot beverage water going. Since the mountain house takes 20 minutes to rehydrate, I figured I'd go ahead and get my meal going first before my beverage drinking. I think I can fairly quote one of my fellow outdoor brothers, Joseph Russell. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You know, the flavor is amplified by being out in the great outdoors, so. Damn, that's good. Damn, that's good. I think it's time to bust into the mountain house goodness. How long's it been? Actually, yeah, it's been 20 minutes. Dig out the spoon. Get some water to drink. This way I can rinse out my cup at the same time, so I'm multitasking. Heard some geese fly by. It sounded weird because you could actually hear their wings beating. That sounded kind of unusual. I don't think I've ever heard wings beating before. Alright. Smells pretty decent. Looks like it's fully hydrated. There's the goodness. If the camera will focus. Come on, camera. First time having this. I think I mentioned that, but It's not bad. I wouldn't say it was my favorite, but it's not bad. I think it's kind of growing on me as I eat it. I mean, I did just drink mocha, so maybe the contrasting flavors. Some green tea beforehand, probably with this, probably would have been better, but. Huh. That's a decent flavor. Not really getting a lot of the vegetable flavor, but pack it up, head on out. Man, look how easy it was packing up all my garbage. It took a matter of moments. Tough for people to get that. So easy to do. Lighter. Coffee I never drank. Got the Hidden Woodsman Sammy pouch I've really been enjoying.